Hello guys and welcome to another video. So today, as you may know, winter is coming, and who says winter says winter fragrances. So for me, I'm more of team winter fragrances rather than team summer fragrances. I think winter fragrances have more character, have more depth, and because they have spices, cinnamon, vanilla, they're more sweet, and I really like sweet fragrances. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, because today I have done a blind buy. So blind buy is not a good thing to do in fragrances because you don't know how the fragrance is gonna smell. But I like to blind buy because it has more excitement. Like when you smell a fragrance, then you go buy it, you already know how it smells. I know it's weird to say that, but I like blind buying fragrances because I like the surprise. I love surprises, so I hope this one doesn't disappoint. So today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing Valentino Uomo Intense. So this fragrance smells similar to Dior Homme Intense, and with its own twist. So this one has leather and nutmeg, which Dior Homme Intense doesn't have. So I hope it has more character. But I think Jeremy Fragrance said that this fragrance is a cheap Dior Homme Intense. So I hope it's not true, because I really want this to be a great fragrance. And this is a great winter fragrance. When I look it up on the internet, everyone recommend this. So I hope we're not going to be disappointed, and let's get into it. So we've just finished unboxing this fragrance, and this bottle is so beautiful. I'm actually in love with the Valentino Uomo line bottle design, because these spikes, and I just love it. And it's all black. But now the real deal. How does it smell? I'm a little bit scared. So let's try the atomizer. First, we're gonna spray it on a paper, then on my skin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm actually very happy because it does smell good. I can literally smell the leather, the iris, the sweetness. It may be vanilla. Yeah, so I smell leather, iris, and vanilla. Oh gosh, it's such a beautiful smell. And it does have character. Wow, guys, I'm actually very happy because I thought it was gonna be a polarizing scent, whether I'm gonna not be so happy but not really disappointed because it's a blind buy, but it's actually very good. So on the skin, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. So we're gonna see the main accords for this fragrance. It's vanilla, iris, powdery, leather. So yeah, literally, I can. This is exactly what I smell. Next, the notes. The top, we have mandarin orange, nutmeg. On the middle we have juniper, sage, and on the base we have iris, vanilla, leather, tonka bean, and patchouli. So yeah, this is very accurate. It's a powdery iris and leathery vanilla. So it is sweet, it is a bit floral, it is very powdery, and you can get hints of that leather because it gives it that character. So now, wow, I'm actually very impressed. So guys, of all my winter fragrances, this is literally the best I've ever smelled. This is so balanced. It's creamy, it's powdery, it's sweet, it has character with the leather. It's such a well blended fragrance. It is ideal for fall and winter. Literally, I think this is gonna be my signature winter fragrance. Oh god. So this fragrance, as I see it, you can wear it as a teenager and as an adult too, because this will for sure get you compliments. This is a sweet, handsome guy, maybe in a suit or maybe in a casual dress, just like this, you know? Just casual, but you smell incredible. You can wear it as a young, old, mid 30s. Wow. So the rating, I give this a 10 out of 10. If we're talking about winter fragrances, fall, whoa, I can't even talk. Fall fragrances, I give this a 10 out of 10. Spring, summer, no. Spring, I don't know. It may be too strong, too powdery, but fall, winter, this is a 10 out of 10. And I'm on Fragrantica, I see that the projection is strong and it lasts long. So this is definitely a 10. Smell, 10. Performance, I have to see that, but based on Fragrantica, I give it a 9 out of 10. So this is overall a solid winter fragrance, a fall fragrance as well, and I recommend it, really, guys. So if you guys have this fragrance in your nearest perfume store, because I don't think it's available anymore because it was discontinued, but sometimes I find it in stores, but they don't have a tester for it. So if you are lucky and your store does have a tester, go smell it. If you don't have a tester in your store, or you don't have this fragrance, then I would suggest to buy Dior Homme Intense because they're very similar. But if you want absolutely this fragrance, well, you should look up on websites that sell fragrance samples because this is worth it, guys. I absolutely recommend. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.